Hello friends, this is Amit, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. Here we have a short video on clocks and calendar. So you'll see a question based on calendar. So let's quickly check a question. It says if 9th December 2001 happens to be Sunday, then 9th December 1971 would have been at. So we have been given four options: Monday, Sunday, Thursday, Saturday, and we need to choose one correct option. So students, this is a concept of traveling whenever we need to check any two dates and we have a gap of years between them, a long gap between them. So just we need to understand that concept. So in any particular year, what happens? In any particular year there is one odd day. Okay, in one particular year there is one odd day. Odd day means whenever we are increasing any number of days, so that is called odd day. See, in any date if we are increasing 7, so it will be the same day. So if we are increasing more than 7, so what we'll do, we'll just decrease in a multiple of 7 whatever is the dates. Okay, so whenever in any particular year, if you will see, if it is not a leap year, if you will see that if that in one particular date, if we are talking about, let's suppose 1st March 2001, if it is a Monday, then 1st March 2002 will be definitely on Tuesday. So whenever we increase a year, a day is increased if it is not a leap year. What happens when it is a leap year? An extra day comes as 29th Feb. So in particular that year, 2 days increases, right? So what will happen? See what will happen, for example, 1st Jan, that is 2013, is, let's suppose, Monday, right? So what will happen on, let's suppose, 1st Jan 2027? Okay, if I'm saying that, what will happen to them? So if I'm asking, so what will happen, we just need to check that how many days are there between, how many years are there. For example, that is 2027 minus 2030. So what will happen, it will come out to be 4 and 1. There are 14 years between these two dates. So each year we have at least one odd day. So how many odd days we got? 14 odd days we got. Okay, so for all the years, on how many leap year we will have. So for leap year, what is the trick? That you just need to find which will be the first leap year after this date. After this date, the first leap year will be 2016, and what will be the last leap year? If it is the first leap year, and the last leap year will be 2024. Leap year is always a multiple of 4, a year which is a multiple of 4. Okay, so 24 minus 16, how much it is? 8. So we just need to divide this value by 4, so it will become 2, and we just need to increase 1 in it. So this is a trick to find number of leap years. You can also find this trick when we have used in other questions as well. So this is a very important trick to find the number of leap years, otherwise you just have to count manually. So this is a direct trick to find the first leap year which is coming after this date and the last leap year. Just subtract these two values, you will definitely get a multiple of 4. So divided by 4 and increase 1 in it. Okay, so this is the standard trick to find number of leap years. So number of leap years we got how much? 3 leap years we get. So 14 plus 3, we got 17 as the number of odd days. We have to divide it by 7 because odd days cannot be more than 6. So we just need to find the remainder with 7. So remainder with 7 is coming out to be 3, right? 3 is the remainder. It means we just need to increase 3 days in this. So Monday, so if we'll increase 3 days in Monday, it will become Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Thursday is the answer. So similar note, we just need to solve our question. That is, see, what is the step-by-step process? That is, first we need to find the number of years between these two, any two dates, right? And then we need to find number of leap years between these two dates. Okay, then we need to add that total, because see, what happens in leap year? See, you may get confused that in leap year we have 2 odd days and in normal year we have 1 odd day. So why we are taking only 1 odd day in leap year as well, right? Because we have already taken 1 odd day for each year. I mean, for leap year as well, we have already taken 1 year as a odd day. So we have total 20. That is, in this situation we have in total 14 years, including leap years as well. So 1 odd day is already taken off leap year as well, right? So we just need to check that how many leap years are there. So in each leap year we have 1 extra day, that is 29 Feb. That is called 1 extra odd day. Okay, so that we just need to add. Okay, so let's understand our question. That is, we just write it in increasing order. That is 9/12 to 1971. We don't know that which day it was, and it has been asked that it has been given that 19/12 2001 is given as it happens to be Sunday. So we just follow our similar process. That is, how many years are there between 2001 and 71? That is, there are total 30 years, right? So 30 odd day we have for years. And which is the first which is the first leap year which will come after 1971? That is 1972, right? And what will be the last leap year? That will be 2000. So we just need to subtract it. It will become 28 divided by 4 and increase 1. So divided by 4, it will become 7, increase 1 in it. So there are total 8 leap years. So 30 plus 8. So how many odd days we got? We got 38 odd days between these two dates. Okay, so 30 odd days means divided by 7, what remainder we get? We get remainder as 3, because 37 into 5 is 35, so we get 3 as the remainder. So after increasing 3 days we get Sunday. So from Sunday we need to decrease 3 days. So decrease 3 days from Sunday, that is Saturday, Friday and Thursday. So this is coming out to be Thursday after decreasing 3 days. So this will be our answer, that is option C. Thank you, friends.